Welcome to Lexington Point, where the perfect blend of nature, convenience, and community awaits. This 38 homesite community features spacious, 1/3 acre homesites providing ample yard space for your outdoor entertaining needs. Enjoy the beauty of mature trees surrounding Lexington Point, offering stunning views of nature and a tranquil atmosphere that feels removed from the hustle and bustle of highways, yet close enough for the convenience of daily life. Nestled in southern Chester County, Lexington Point is located off Route 1, just past Kennett Square and Chadds Ford. You'll find yourself surrounded by rolling hills, passing beautiful horse farms on your way to this idyllic neighborhood. You're next to the Acadian Wine Company, a local vineyard with acres of vines and peonies that bloom in the spring. For professionals, Lexington Point is a dream location, just 30 minutes from Wilmington, perfect for those working in Delaware but prefer the charm of Pennsylvania. Plus, it's an easy hour drive to the Delaware beaches and 45 minutes to Philadelphia. With Keystone, it's not just about the homes, it's about building a life. Choose Keystone and join a community where homeowners cherish the connections and friendships they've made with their neighbors. Your new home journey begins at Lexington Point.